Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that all are fine. Once again, welcome back to another class of First GK. Today, we are going to learn page number 228 in your textbook about our loving person Mahatma Gandhi. Here it is given the picture of Mahatma Gandhi and what are the noble works he had done for our country. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest Indian. He struggled hard to free from British and here there are some of the points given to you. You have to read these points carefully. Let us read about him. First point is Gandhiji's name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I think that you, the children of class first, you don't know the correct name of our loving Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji. Okay, here the first point is given. What is the name of our Mahatma Gandhi? Gandhiji's name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His mother called him Mohania. Okay, his name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his mother always called him with love Mohania. Now first point is over. Now second point is Gandhiji loved everyone like his children. Okay, he always loved everyone like his children only. People called him Bapu. Okay, people called him Bapu. Bapu means father. Okay, first point we already learned what was his name, full name and how his mother called him. Okay, first one, Gandhiji's name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his mother called him Mohania. Second point, Gandhiji loved everyone like his children and people always called him Bapu. And what is the meaning of Bapu? Bapu means father. Okay, he is the head of our country, father of our nation. That is why we are calling him father of the nation. Who is the father of the nation? Then how to give answer? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Okay, now next we will see some more points. Now, next point is Bapu always spoke the truth. You see this point, Bapu always spoke the truth. He did not speak a single word of lie. Always he used to speak truth only. If somebody will ask us whether you spoke always truth or lie, what answer we have to give? We are not speaking always truth. Many times we are speaking lie only. Here, Gandhiji always spoke only the truth. Next point is Bapu helped to make our country free. Bapuji helped to make our country free from British. That is why 1947 August 15th we got freedom from British. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. That we are remembering on that day. Many freedom fighters are there. Mainly Bapuji helped to make our country free. Next point is Bapu made his own clothes, or Bapuji made his own clothes. Whatever the dress he wore, he only made. And next point is Bapu taught us to do our own work. And he also taught us whatever the works given to us, we have to do our work ourselves only. Now, here you can see one of the picture is given here. The three wise monkeys. The picture is three wise monkeys. The three wise monkeys representing the principle see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. See no evil is this monkey represents, and hear no evil this monkey represent, and the last one, speak no evil, this monkey also represents that. Okay, here the three monkeys are who sees no evil, covering its eyes. Covering its eyes is this one. Okay, that who sees no evil, covering its eyes. And who hears no evil, covering its ears. And this is the one covers its ears. And who speaks no evil, covering its mouth, and this is the monkey represents that who speaks no evil, covering its mouth. Okay, this represents that these three wise monkeys tells that speak no evil, see no evil, and hear no evil. Now, you can see here some things that Bapu used. Gandhiji was using these things. Here you can see there are 4 things: plate, clock, and this is the spinning machine making thread from cotton. Cotton from thread, making cotton from thread. Okay, these are the things that Bapuji used. Now you can see here the image of our Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi. This also another image of Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. Now I hope that this page number 228 you got the knowledge of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, read this page number and go through the points already said about our Mahatma Gandhi, one of the greatest Indian. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest Indian. Okay, read this page number, go through all the points. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.